Have you ever wondered how to invest in material stocks? Well, let's dive in. Material stocks are like golden tickets to ownership in companies operating within the materials sector. This sector is a bustling marketplace that includes industries involved in the extraction, processing, and production of raw materials and commodities. Picture industries dealing with metals, chemicals, forestry products, and the mining world. These companies are the backbone of our economy, supplying essential materials used in construction, manufacturing, and a plethora of industrial processes. It's like owning a piece of the very building blocks that our world is built on. From the steel in our skyscrapers to the chemicals in our cleaning products, material stocks represent a stake in the process that brings these essential items to life. Now that you have a basic understanding of what material stocks are, let's delve into how you can invest in them. So, you're interested in investing in material stocks, but how exactly do you go about it? Well, there are a few avenues you can explore. First, there's the option of direct stock purchases. This means buying shares of individual material companies through a brokerage account. It's like shopping for groceries. You pick what you want and pay for it at the checkout. Then, there are exchange-traded funds, or ETFs for short. These ETFs track the performance of material sector indices or specific segments within the sector. It's like buying a basket of goods instead of individual items. You get exposure to multiple companies through a single investment. Lastly, there's the route of mutual funds. These are funds focused on material stocks that pool investors' money to invest in a diversified portfolio of material-related securities. It's like a potluck dinner. Everyone brings a dish to share, and you get a taste of everything. Now you know how to invest in material stocks, but where should you look for these investments? Knowing where to invest in material stocks is just as important as knowing how. It's like having a treasure map, but no idea where X marks the spot. Luckily, you don't need a pirate's compass or a bottle of rum to find these investments. Material stocks are listed on major stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. Think of these exchanges as bustling marketplaces, except instead of buying fruits and vegetables, you're buying shares of companies. The material sector is a broad umbrella covering a variety of industries. You have companies involved in metals and mining, digging deep to unearth valuable resources. Then there are chemical companies, turning raw materials into products we use daily. Don't forget about forestry and paper companies, and those focusing on construction materials. Each industry offers unique opportunities and challenges, making the material sector a smorgasbord of investment options. Now that we've covered where to find material stocks, let's discuss why you might want to invest in them. Why would someone choose to invest in material stocks? Let's explore some reasons. Material stocks often dance to the rhythm of economic growth. When economies expand, the demand for raw materials used in construction, manufacturing, and infrastructure development goes up, and so do material stocks. Another reason is that these stocks can serve as a hedge against inflation. As inflation rises, so do the prices of raw materials, making material stocks a potential safeguard. Furthermore, material stocks can benefit from increased government infrastructure spending or economic stimulus programs. These initiatives often require a massive amount of raw materials, giving a nice boost to companies in the materials sector. So, in essence, investing in material stocks can be like investing in the heartbeat of the economy. While there are many reasons to invest in material stocks, it's important to know when it's a good time to invest. Timing can be everything when it comes to investing. Let's talk about when it might be a good time to invest in material stocks. The best time to invest in material stocks often aligns with periods of economic growth, increased infrastructure spending, or high demand for raw materials due to global trends or geopolitical factors. When the economy is booming and construction projects are plentiful, companies in the material sector can thrive. Now let's touch on the pros and cons of investing in material stocks. On the upside, material stocks can provide a hedge against inflation and offer potential dividends. However, they also come with certain risks. These stocks are vulnerable to economic downturns and commodity price fluctuations. Plus, material companies may face environmental regulations and liabilities, as well as geopolitical tensions that can affect commodity prices. Investing in material stocks can be a rewarding venture, but like all investments, it requires careful consideration and research. Remember, the best investment is an informed one. Leverage on bullbearvector.com to find the right stocks and options to invest, helping you to save time and reduce costly mistakes today.